For the last few weeks, together with Autopit, we have been sharing to you on how to have your vehicles ride ready for the road. Now today, we are going to talk about wheel alignment and its importance for this week's Ride Ready for the Road. What is wheel alignment and why is it important? Maintaining proper wheel alignment is essential to avoid unnecessary wear on your tires, steering, suspension, and brakes. Accurate wheel alignment optimizes driving stability, maximizes tire life, and improves your vehicle's overall handling performance. Vehicles rely on precision in order to function safely. Tires and wheels can become misaligned due to anything from the road conditions and driving habits to hitting a big bump or getting into a minor accident. Most often, the front wheels are most susceptible to losing proper alignment, though rear wheels can also experience issues with displacement and proper alignment in many of today's vehicles. A lot of things go into maintaining your vehicle so it performs safely and at its best. Proper wheel alignment is one thing that plays an important role. Wheel alignment affects fuel efficiency, tire wear, tire performance, vehicle handling, and maneuverability. Wheel alignment is a big factor in a vehicle's steering response. This leads to the most frequently asked question about tire alignment. When should I get an alignment? There is no absolute answer to that question, since all vehicles have different service requirements. So we recommend to have your vehicles checked on a regular basis. This would enable you to determine if your wheels are aligned. It won't cost you much, but if you fail to do so, brand new tires cost way more than the cost of having a wheel alignment. So here at Autopit, we have this regular periodic maintenance, and wheel alignment is part of that. So we make your vehicle ride ready for the road.